Hi, I'm Alicia Morgan of Immigration Lawyers USA. I help immigrants be reunited with their foreign family members and also stay together with their United States citizen family members. I've been doing that for 12 years and I love it. Since the 7th grade, I wanted to become an attorney so that I could help people. And I learned after I started to learn Spanish that I really wanted to help immigrants in particular. I'm the great-granddaughter of Irish immigrants on both sides of the family, and after I started to learn Spanish and later Portuguese, I knew that I had a Latin heart. Actually, I want to tell you about my very first immigration case. I thought at that time that I had to marry a Latin lover, and I fell in love with an Argentinian man when I was on a mission trip to Argentina. I wanted to bring him to the United States on a fiancé visa, and that's when I was still in law school. Even though I was an aspiring immigration attorney, at that time I had zero experience with how to file a fiancé visa or how the process worked. Although I did a lot of online research, time that I should have been spending studying for my exams, I was unable to know with great certainty that I was filing everything completely correctly, and that caused me a lot of stress and anxiety, in addition to the time that I spent doing this case by myself. After I filed the paperwork, my fiance was hoping that I, as a law student, knew what was happening with the case, and it caused a lot of strain in our relationship, and he would ask me constantly what's going on, and I really had no clue. The case actually went outside of a normal processing times, taking over a year, and during that time, the anxiety and the stress and the uncertainty caused such strain in our relationship that we ended up splitting up before he even came to the United States. I want you to avoid all of that heartache from being separated for such a long time, but also the strain on the relationship, the stress, the sleepless nights, the insomnia, the heartache. That's what I want you to avoid. We created Immigration Lawyers USA to come up with a seamless way for you to file your immigration case without the stress, without the nightmares and the worry, and basically with us holding your hand through the process, filing the immigration paperwork for you. We file the paperwork for you so that you can know that we filed it correctly. We filed all the correct forms, the documents are all in there that should be in there, because by the way, the instructions do not tell you everything immigration wants to see. And also we make sure that all the boxes are checked correctly, because just one box can get the case rejected or sent back or cause a delay or worse, a denial on your case. We make sure that after we file the case that we keep track of the time for you. And if your case does go outside of normal processing times for an immigration case in that case type, we can file a claim to immigration to press them, to put pressure on them to go ahead and decide your case. That way we can ensure that your case is decided as soon as possible. Go ahead and click the link below so that you can be reunited with your family member as soon as possible. Thanks.